Okay, welcome to the deep dive.
Great to be here.
So today we're tackling something that I think is maybe the trickiest part for a lot of people learning English.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Just starting. How to actually kick off a conversation that first, 5 seconds?
Right. The blank moment where you know you should say something.
Exactly. But the words just, poof, disappear. It's like
Mm.
this conversation gauntlet.
It really can feel that way. But, the resources we've looked at, they suggest it's not about having, amazing vocabulary right off the bat.
Yeah.
It's more about mastering the really simple stuff, the mechanics of just the start. We've kind of pulled together a map step by step.
A map to make it less scary.
Yeah, basically. To make those first 30 seconds feel, well, smoother, more confident, maybe even, enjoyable.
That's the goal, isn't it? Not just getting through it, but actually feeling okay doing it. So
Yeah.
we're cutting past the grammar drills.
Right. Straight to the essentials, like the perfect greeting, how to follow up, introducing yourself without feeling awkward.
And those crucial little phrases that kind of grease the wheels, socially speaking.
Exactly. The idea is you walk away from this feeling instantly ready for those basic interactions.
Okay, good. Because it's those little interactions, waiting for coffee, seeing someone. You kind of know where this stuff really matters.
Totally. We're focusing on those little details native speakers might not even think about, but which make a huge difference for you as a learner, going from silence to just a comfortable chat.
All right, let's do it. Let's unpack it. Part one, that essential first word, the greeting. We've got hello and hi. Seems simple, but there's nuance, right?
Oh, definitely. Formality is key. Hello is like your anchor.
Your safe bet.
Exactly. It's polite, works for anyone, boss, stranger, teacher, whoever. You really can't go wrong with hello. It shows respect.
But hi feels so much more common now. I hear it everywhere.
You do, and that's a big shift the sources point out. Hi used to be pretty much just for friends, casual settings.
Yeah.
Now, it's pretty standard in, say, shops, cafes, the gym. It's just quicker, more relaxed.
So is hello becoming old-fashioned?
Not really old-fashioned, but maybe a bit more formal. Like if you're emailing someone important for the first time or addressing a group formally, hello still has that weight.
Okay.
Hi can sometimes feel a little too casual if the situation needs a bit more decorum.
Got it. So hello for safety and formality, hi for everyday casual stuff. That makes sense.
Precisely.
Now, what about the time-based ones? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Do people still really pay attention to these?
They do, actually. It's seen as, well, polite, shows you're present and aware, so good morning. That's from when you wake up until noon, right?
Until 12:00 p.m. midday. Yep.
And it feels, nice, pleasant. Though here's a little nugget. Sometimes you'll hear people just say, morning.
Dropping the good.
Yeah, very informal. Like between colleagues who see each other every day or sometimes in quick service interactions, it implies familiarity.
Good tip. Sounds more natural, maybe, in some contexts. Okay, so 12 o'clock hits.
Then you switch. Good afternoon, all the way from noon until, maybe 5 or 6 p.m.
So walking into a shop at 2 p.m., meeting someone for a late lunch.
Good afternoon. Perfect. Then, as it gets darker, evening starts.
Around 6 p.m., give or take, when the sun goes down, basically.
Yeah, that's the cue. Good evening, going to a restaurant for dinner, meeting friends in the evening.
Good evening it is. Okay, that seems straightforward enough. But then there's the big one, the confusion point.
Yes. Good night.
This trips so many people up, doesn't it? Because in some languages, it is used as an evening greeting.
Exactly. But in English, the sources are super clear on this. Good night is almost exclusively a farewell.
A goodbye.
Right. It's what you say when you're leaving somewhere at night or literally going to bed.
So if I walk into a party at 9 p.m. and say good night.
Big mistake. You're basically saying, I'm leaving now, or maybe even suggesting they should go to sleep. It can sound quite abrupt or just wrong.
Wow. Okay, that's a crucial distinction.
Mm-hmm.
Always good evening when arriving. Good night only when leaving late.
Nail that, and you avoid a common social blunder. It's a really important fence post, linguistically.
Okay, great. Greeting sorted. Now, step 2 is that immediate follow-up. The classic, how are you?
The famous friendly question. It shows you care, right? Or does it?
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? How much do people really want to know?
Exactly. In English-speaking cultures, how are you is often what linguists call phatic. It's like social glue more than a real question.
Just a formality to keep things moving.
Pretty much. The expected answer is usually short and, importantly, positive or neutral.
Which brings us to the answer everyone learns. I'm fine, thank you, and you.
The textbook classic. Nothing technically wrong with it.
But it sounds so stiff, like you just read it from a script.
It really does. And our sources strongly suggest getting comfortable with alternatives to sound more natural. If you're feeling good, what can you say?
Maybe just, I'm good, thanks. Shorter, common.
Perfect. I'm good, thanks is very standard. Or if you're feeling particularly energetic.
I'm great. Maybe.
Yep, I'm great. Works fine, shows enthusiasm. Simple, positive options.
Okay, but what if I'm not great? Like genuinely having a bad day? Do I unload on the poor cashier?
Haha, right. That's where the social contract gets interesting. If you say, oh, I'm terrible, you're kind of signaling you want to talk about it.
Which might be awkward if they were just being polite.
Exactly. It can put the other person in a difficult spot. So the advice is usually to keep it relatively light in these quick exchanges. Unless it's a close friend, maybe stick to the surface.
So we need neutral options for those mad days.
And there are great ones. I'm okay is perfectly fine. Simple, neutral.
Okay.
But probably the most common, most classic neutral answer you'll hear from native speakers.
Let me guess. Not bad.
You got it. Not bad, thanks. It basically means things are normal, nothing exciting, nothing terrible.
It's the universal code for adequately existing.
Pretty much. It's honest enough without derailing the conversation, so having these choices, great, good, okay, not bad, gives you flexibility. You sound less like a robot.
Makes sense. Avoid the textbook trap.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've greeted, we've done the how are you dance. What if I actually don't know this person?
Ah, right. Part 3. Introductions. Crucial if it's someone new.
Gotta tell them who you are. How do we do that smoothly?
2 main ways to give your name. You've got, my name is name.
Feels a little formal.
It can be, yeah. Good for maybe a business meeting or a slightly more official setting. But much more common, especially casually, is simply...
I'm name.
Exactly. I'm Sarah, I'm David. Quick, easy, friendly, both are fine, but I'm is probably more frequent day to day.
I definitely prefer I'm.
Yeah.
Less clunky. Okay, so I say my name.
Then you need theirs, right? You pass the conversational baton with the simple question, what's your name?
Okay, name given, name asked, now what? There's a specific phrase here, isn't there?
Yes. The moment you hear their name for the first time, the magic phrase is, nice to meet you.
Seals the deal.
It really does. It formalizes that you've just met, signals you're pleased about it, it's expected.
And the response.
Yeah.
They can't just nod.
Nope. The standard polite response is, nice to meet you too. That little word too is important.
Meaning also me, right? The feeling is mutual.
Precisely. It confirms the positive sentiment. Now, you might also hear people say, just you two,
Well, yeah.
informally.
Oh yeah, like a shortcut.
Kind of. Especially in faster, more casual chats. Nice to meet you. You too. It gets the same meaning across quickly.
Okay, good to know. So that little sequence, give name, ask name, nice to meet you too, that builds a little bridge right there.
Instantly. You've gone from strangers to having a basic interaction thread.
All right, we've greeted, checked in, introduced ourselves, but
Yeah.
now what? How do we actually keep talking for more than 10 seconds? We need a proper conversation starter.
Exactly. Moving beyond the absolute basics, now we need a topic. And the sources are clear. You need something safe, easy, and ideally something you both share or can see.
Which brings us to the undisputed champion.
The weather.
Of course. Why is it always the weather?
Because it's universal. Everyone experiences it. Everyone can see it out the window. It requires zero personal knowledge about the other person. It's pure, safe, common ground.
Social lubricant, like you said. How do we even start talking about it without sounding boring?
Keep it simple. Focus on observation and maybe a light opinion that invites agreement. Like, it's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Adding the isn't it helps.
Yeah,
Makes it a question.
Exactly. Or just, wow, the weather's really nice today. Often the other person just needs to agree, yes, it is, and boom, you've started.
Okay, but what if the weather isn't nice? It's raining, it's freezing.
You adjust the tone, you commiserate a bit. Oh, the weather's not so great today, is it? Or, bit chilly out.
Still thinking observation.
Right. Simple vocabulary is all you need. Sunny, cloudy, raining or rainy day, cold, hot. The big tip from the sources, you don't need to brainstorm, just look outside. The topic is literally right there.
That's easy enough.
Yeah.
Instant topic. Okay, what's another safe starter?
Option 2, which is a bit more personal but very positive if done right. A compliment.
Saying something nice. Seems simple, but I feel like this could go wrong easily.
It can, absolutely. And this is where nuance is key. A compliment is saying something nice about the person or something they have.
Okay,
Yeah.
but if I walk up to a stranger and say, your eyes are beautiful, that sounds risky.
Very risky. And the sources strongly advise against complimenting personal physical attributes, especially with strangers. It can come across as too forward or even creepy.
So what should we compliment?
Stick to things the person shows or possesses. Things they are wearing or carrying. It creates a bit of distance. Like,
Yeah.
oh, I really like your shirt. That's a very nice bag. Cool shoes. I like your phone case. Something external.
Uh, Compliment the object, not the body part. That feels much safer.
Much safer. It focuses on their taste or choice, not their inherent features. But the absolute golden rule here,
Let me guess. Be sincere.
100%. Only say it if you actually mean it. People can often tell if a compliment is fake or just, a line. That backfires badly.
Right. A genuine, hey, cool scarf works better than some forced flattery. And the response?
Usually very simple, oh, thank you, or maybe, oh, thanks so much. It's generally received positively if it feels sincere.
Okay, so weather, safe, external, compliments, positive, focus on objects, be sincere. What's the third option?
The third one is a casual check-in about their day, especially if you're encountering them, say, mid-afternoon or in the evening.
Kind of circling back to how are you, but more specific.
A little bit. Asking something like, how was your day? Or a slightly more present tense version, are you having a good day?
Okay, and the answer is probably similar to the how are you ones.
Very similar. It's going well, thank you. Yeah, it's pretty good, thanks. Usually brief and positive or neutral.
And if they answer, how do I politely ask them back without repeating the whole question? Is there a shortcut?
Yes. This is another great little conversational tool. Instead of saying, and how was your day? Which sounds a bit formal or repetitive.
Just say,
How about you? Much shorter, friendlier, very common. My day was good, thanks. How about you? Keeps the flow going smoothly.
how about you? Got it. That's really useful. Okay, this is actually quite a clear framework.
Right. Let's quickly recap the flow. You've got step 1, greeting. Choose hello or hi based on context. Or a time-based one like good morning, afternoon, evening. Remember, good night is for leaving.
Step 2, follow up, how are you? Expecting a short, positive, neutral answer like good thanks or not bad, and be ready with your own answer.
Step 3, introduction, if needed. I'm name, what's your name? Followed by nice to meet you, and hopefully hearing nice to meet you too.
And finally, step 4, conversation starter pick 1. Whether, nice day, isn't it? A sincere compliment on an object. I like your bag. Or asking about their day. How's your day going? How are you?
Exactly. Mastering that sequence, those 4 quick phases, can happen in like 15-20 seconds, but it gives you this immediate foundation. Social confidence in a nutshell.
And the core message seems to be, don't get stuck trying to be perfect. Just start.
Absolutely. That came through so strongly in the sources. Overcome that initial hesitation. Don't worry excessively about perfect grammar in that first moment. Just see something. A simple hello or hi is often enough to break the ice.
It's the starting pistol.
It is. And one more thing that reinforces that start, it's not verbal.
The nonverbal stuff. What's key?
The smile. Seriously, the material kept emphasizing this. A smile is like a universal signal.
Says, I'm friendly, I'm open.
Precisely. It lowers defenses, makes you seem approachable, and often encourages the other person to react positively. It sets the whole tone before you even speak sometimes. It's a powerful, simple tool.
Smile, say hello, ask a simple question. It sounds so basic, but putting it all together consistently is the challenge.
It is, but the payoff is huge. The sources suggested that even these tiny interactions, like a 2-minute chat while waiting somewhere, significantly boost your fluency and confidence over time.
Practice makes perfect, even in small doses.
Yeah, and they framed it really nicely. Learning how to simply start a conversation isn't just about learning words. It's like getting, and I quote, a key to a new world.
Wow. A key to a new world. That's quite profound for just learning how to say hello
If
properly.
you think about it, though, if that one simple word, delivered confidently and with a smile, can open doors to new connections, better practice, maybe new opportunities, what are we losing by letting that initial fear win?
That really puts it in perspective. The potential locked behind just being brave enough to start.
The power really is in the simplicity and just taking that first step.
A key to a new world, starting with one word. That's a fantastic thought to end on. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Definitely.
And thank you for diving deep with us today.